I'm Jerry Hammerbold, and I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself project for remodeling a bathroom. In order to install the quartz countertop that I've already installed, or had installed, I've had to move the mirror, and it's a 4x8 mirror. It's quite heavy, and as you can see, it's got vertical room on the wall to where I don't have to remove it from the walls. I need to do is raise it on the wall safely. I can do this myself without the help of others. It's very heavy mirrors, approximately 150 pounds. So what I've done is I've built brackets for it. As you can see, from 2x4, you got two sets of brackets for below, bottom, and top. And using these brackets, I can safely install them into the nearest stud. So I've got something to install in, and I've got a slot, enough room to move it vertically, one side at a time. Once I've got the upper brackets in, I can lift one side at a time safely and slide it along the wall, and at the bottom place the lower brackets so it's above and out of the way of the granite countertop. And once the granite countertop's installed, I can reverse the process and be finished with the project. Thank you for viewing.